he oli mele kalani o Zorio he wahine.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Elk County in north-central Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near force, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, tree damage will occur. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This dangerous storm will be near force around 2:50 p.m. Maddox run around 3 p.m. That is at around 3:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Weedville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Elk, Pennsylvania.
We cannot allow this to happen. TMT must go away. TMT must leave Hawaii.